Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build traffic using Shopify, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding your target audience. Conduct market research to identify their preferences and needs. Choose a niche that excites you and has demand in the market. Create a Shopify account and set up your online store. Select a professional theme that aligns with your brand. Customize your store's design and layout to enhance user experience. Add essential product categories to organize your offerings. Use high-quality images and compelling product descriptions. Optimize your product listings with relevant keywords. Set competitive pricing that reflects your value proposition. Implement SEO best practices for your entire store. Utilize social media platforms to promote your store. Create engaging content that resonates with your audience. Join relevant groups and forums to share your expertise. Leverage paid advertising on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Consider Google Ads to reach customers actively searching for your products. Start an email marketing campaign to nurture customer relationships. Offer discounts and promotions to attract new visitors. Utilize influencer marketing to tap into established audiences. Collaborate with bloggers for guest posts featuring your products. Create and share valuable content through a blog. Engage with your audience through comments and feedback. Analyze your traffic sources with Google Analytics. Adjust your strategy based on performance metrics. Continue experimenting with new marketing channels. Stay updated on e-commerce trends to enhance your approach. Foster community by encouraging customer reviews and testimonials. Consistently revisit and refine your strategies for building traffic. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.